Hi everybody, welcome back. I just want to do a really quick tutorial on how you use calendar in your class in your Google Classroom. So first I want to thank Rihanna for letting me use her account because your view is different than my view and it would be easier for you to actually see what you're going to see, right? So I want it to look the same. So thank you, Rihanna. So you can access Google Calendar wherever you have your waffle. Excuse me. So I know a lot of you go in through Clever. Some of you probably have your address bar set for your drive, which I think is pretty cool. If you take this web address and you click it and you put it in as your home thing, it opens right up first. I didn't know that. I just learned that. But you can go into your waffle and calendar is here. Now, the great thing about this, and it took me a little while to figure this out, you can actually move this little guy along. So you go into calendar, you click it, and it's going to look like this. Okay. And so the two things that I want to focus on, I'm going to try not to get sidetracked, but two things I want to focus on is how easy it is to get into your Zoom meetings. So if you go to this Zoom right here, so there's a Zoom scheduled for today, every day from 2 to 3. Okay. We're going to see how that works. Drop in if you need help. You might want to preview the stuff. It's going to be up to you. You can figure out how you learn the best. And if you need the interaction, come every single day. It'd be great to see you. So you click on Zoom on the meeting, and here's the link right here. You click on the link, it sends you right to where you need to be. If it asks you for a password, it may not if you have the link. Sometimes it does, so it's a little weird. But so the password is right here if you need it. Okay, and you stay in the waiting room. And when I come in, I can open the waiting room up. You can't enter the class until you can't enter the meeting until I do. Okay. And then the second thing is that I wanted to show you is if you, let me get rid of this, if you look down here, okay, because you asked me to break them up, a couple students did, like I said, and a couple parents asked because you guys like the turn in button. You like to be able to turn stuff in every day. So it was easy enough to do. So I went ahead and did that. So you can click on this, and this tells you what the assignment is. Okay. And so if there's any directions, it shows you, you can click it, you can go right to it, but it tells you, in my case, I gave you a due date. Okay. So if I gave you a due date, it will show up here. A due time, I'm sorry. So you can use that as a way to help schedule your time. And that's very, very important. Um, I think that's about it for now. And then to get out of it, obviously, you can just log out, and you're back to your drive. Okay, so I hope that helps, and I'm trying to make this Zoom entry easier and more consistent. So if I keep it on your calendar, you just go to your calendar and you bop in, and you can set it so that it'll ding your phone, so it will remind you. Okay, and I can do that with you later. Thank you. Bye bye.